Alright everyone, welcome back, and let's continue with our CSS grid tutorial from FreeCodeCamp. Okay, so now we are on step 41. So in this video we are going to walk our way through step 41 all the way to 50. So for step 41, remember that the grid column property determines which columns an element starts and ends at. There may be times where you are unsure of how many columns your grid will have, but you want an element to stop at the last column. So to do so, you can use -1 for the end column. So first, let's select the hero element and we'll give it a grid column. And let's set the value to 1 over -1, like so. Now, let's also give the hero a position property, and let's give it a value of relative. You should remove the temporary width attribute before writing CSS for your hero image. So where is the width? Yeah, here is it. So let's take it off. Okay, so now as we've taken our our width property off, we want to create an image selector and give it a width in the CSS. So we'll say img, and then let's give it a width of 100%, like so. And then let's also give it an object fit property and set it to cover. Okay, so the object fit property tells the browser how to position the elements within its container. In this case, cover will set the image to fill the container as needed to avoid changing the aspect ratio. Okay. Okay, now we want to create a hero title selector. Let's bring our curly braces and then give it a text align of center. Okay, as you can see, we also want to give it a color property. So let's say color. Let's set it to orange. And then let's give it a font family property. Font size set to 8 rem. Okay, there you go. The title also needs to be styled. So we want to create the subtitle, So we want to create hero subtitle. And then what we want to do is we want to add a font size property, set it to 2.4 rem. Then let's also add a color property, which we are going to set to oranged, like so. And then let's give it a text align, which we are going to set to center. Okay, now we are making progress. Next up, what we want to do is to create an alter selector, and then let's give it a font size property of 2 rem. We also want to give it a font family property of railway, and then let's give it a fallback of sans serif. All right. Next up, let's create an author name selector. So we'll say author name, and we're also going to say bring space and bring the A. So this is going to target the A or link inside of author name. Okay, And then now let's add our hover. So whenever the link, which is A, inside of the author name element is hovered, then the styles that we add will be applied. So let's say background color. Let's set it to background color. Let's set it to this color here. I'll copy the hex code and paste it like so. All right, now as you can see, when I hover it, you can see the background color takes effect. Okay. Moving on, what we want to do is we also want to create a publish date selector. Let's give it a color property with the value of this RGB code here. Let me just copy it and paste it like so. Next up, let's tackle the social icons. So let's give them a display of grid. These are the social icons, these ones here. We want to give them a display of grid. Let's give them a font size property, which we'll set to 3 rem, like so. Okay, now you can see they look very large, but we still have some work to do on it. But let's continue in the next video, as we've already done step 50. So in the next video, we are going to look at step 51 to 60. All right, so if you're enjoying this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and also give this video a like and thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section below as well. Okay, this is where I'll end it. See you in the next one.